Challenge your IQ limits and watch your child get smarter. Simple rules. 1. Observe the lit areas on the map and available block colors. 2. Think about how to combine shapes to perfectly fill the lit areas on the map. 3. Press the correct blocks firmly down, and they will automatically sense completion. For exciting modes, long press the power button for classic adventure mode. Conquer 1030 progressively challenging puzzles, suitable for beginners and experts alike. And experience the thrill of brain power. Note, by default, solving is in sequential judgment mode. Make one move wrong, and the board will flash for a hint. Experts can press the mode switch button to enter the global judgment mode, which will no longer prompt whether they have filled in the wrong information, and the level of difficulty will be upgraded. Stuck? Long press the button for tutorial mode. Dynamic dual lights guide you step by step through problem solving, making it easy to understand and master. Want to challenge friends? Long press speak button for time challenge mode. The long strip light comes on, and the countdown begins. Finish the challenge before the lights go out for a tense and thrilling experience. Worried about your child's frustration? Press simultaneously for parent mode. No skipping levels, no peeking at answers. Through step-by-step exploration, enhance your child's observation, logical reasoning, and concentration skills, boosting their confidence. Crafted with ingenuity for a perfect experience. Blocks with handles for easy insertion and removal. Hollowed out blocks for clearer observation. Chessboard with rounded corners for comfortable grip. Full screen level display for clearer instructions. Super smart building blocks. Let the children learn steadily and play happily.